Hello there and welcome back to the channel. Today we got something exciting. We're unboxing and testing out my brand new chainsaw, the Scheppach PCS380. Let's dive right in and see what's in the box. First up, we got the chain guard. Safety first, of course. Next is the mixing tank for getting the fuel mix just right. And then we have the chain brake, an essential safety feature. And underneath that we have a bag with a user manual and some tools, including a file for sharpening the chain. And then we have the chainsaw itself. It's looking very good. Some how-to QR codes. I'm gonna use this saw for future videos. I have something planned. Very exciting. And of course the chain itself. Looks very sharp and ready to go. Oh, and I almost forgot the sword or guide bar. Can't do much cutting without it. Let's get this assembled and see how it performs. That was the unboxing. The assembly was pretty simple. Just screw on the sword with the chain on it and it's pretty much done. Mixed some fuel and some oil, chain oil. And here we have some alder, which I'm gonna be chopping down, or not chop but saw down. It's for a future project, which is gonna be a secret for now. Stay with me. Let's chop some wood. There we go. I chopped down or sawed down 4 alder trees. This is all the branches and stuff. So this is the alder trees, cleaned from branches. This has to be enough for today. 4 trees. Takes a lot of energy. Who needs a gym, right? Now I'm just gonna chop them up and put them in the car. It's a very good chainsaw for the price, around $100. Really good. Looks like I have to clean it up a bit before I continue. Now that is a lot of alder. Perfect. Let's take it home to the garage. And there it is, nicely stacked in the garage. We're gonna keep it here for a month or two, and then we're gonna split it to make it dry faster. We're also gonna debark it. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.